Well, I'm glad I got home when I did. I just got home right before the storm hit, and I live in a mobile home. Check this out. Check that out. I don't know if you can see it or not, but oh my gosh, dude, check this out. I should have probably not be here considering there's tornado warnings out in the area, but man, check that out. This is on my front porch. Wow. Oh, it's starting to die down a little bit. That is crazy. That is crazy. You can hear it hitting. Like I said, I live in a mobile home, so oh, I think the tornado warning's expired. Yeah, it's just about expired. The storm's starting to let up. And my wife just called a little bit ago saying they were getting ready to leave. Well, they're driving right into it. They're at Missouri Botanical Gardens today. So I don't know what's going to happen. But man, check that out. As soon as it stops hailing, we'll go out and check this out. Wow. Check that out. Sounds like someone was throwing baseballs or rocks at my trailer is what it sounded like. I was a little bit concerned because the storm didn't seem tornadic until St. Clair County, Illinois was under one from 4 to 4:30. I didn't find that out until I got home. I live in a big metal box on wheels. That's real safe for a tornado, ain't it? Check out to see if the vehicles got damaged. Yeah, I see a couple dings on the hood of my truck already, I think. Yeah, I think so. Truck I'm not concerned about. The truck's already beat up. It's my wife's car. Dang, that's just crazy. It's quieted down. It's still raining outside. I'm not going to take the laptop outside. I'm recording all this from my laptop computer. Let me go outside and get a let me go outside and get a thing of a couple of pieces of hail to show you. This is wicked.
Tornado at this point, but I wouldn't be surprised if it tightens up. So let's watch that closely, and let me highlight to you brighter reds, brighter greens right here in between Trenton and Mascoutah. A little more tighter rotation in that area. So two spots to look for rotation.
Hello.
And at this point, no damage, no tornadoes on the ground, but man, some very, very large hail. And before I leave you,
yeah, it was pelting hail just a few minutes ago.
But the hail
the baseball size, softball size hail.
It's wicked. And everywhere you see the pink, there's a good bet that you're going to get some large hail, possibly golf ball to baseball size, as that storm moves off to the east. Okay,
that was my wife. She was just in Collinsville,
and we're going to be back on the air in a couple minutes. We have to switch some mics, and we'll be back on.
I'm telling you, that was a crazy storm. It's just raining now. As soon as it stops raining, I'm going to go outside and
keep you posted all throughout the Saturday afternoon as
we were outside and checked out the vehicles. So I would do it now, but it's still raining outside. And like I said, this is a laptop computer. But man, that was some crazy stuff.
Did finish second here at Missouri Classic in New Orleans 5 years ago. A very nice save for the four.